Hey everyone, this is DrCallahan with week 9 Tuesday. How are you guys doing? Keep in mind your warm-up log is due this Friday, so go ahead and answer the following 3 questions. Question number 3 says, this is week 9. We have 10 more weeks to go until final. During this time, I'm going to do better with blank, blank, and blank. Better, I am going to try harder on blank and blank. One thing, if I can redo over, is blank. I am proud of myself when blank happens this semester. And one compliment I can get to someone is blank. So fill in the blank. All right, let's go ahead and create the assignment for today. For Algebra 1. Here's your assignment. And this is for week 9, Tuesday, Algebra 1, Semester 2. And today we're going to do a review on quadratics. Here are your instructions. Make sure you guys check in with me by 8:40 today because that's when the attendance needs to be taken. And I'm going to go ahead and sign it. All right, let's go back to this then. So take a look at the answer here when you're factoring for your quadratics, okay? So you're going to go ahead and sign A as 2, B as -3, C as -8. Now plug it into the negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all the way over 2a quadratic equation. And then you're going to take your calculator and ask yourself, what's 9 times 9 minus 4 times 2 times -8? Square root of 73 is right between 64 and 81. You know 64 is 8, 81 is 9. So yours is going to be like a plus or minus 8.5. Now you want to split the two different equations. So you have a 3 plus 8.5 divided by 4, and then 3 minus 8.5 divided by 4. And those are your two answers. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn over to your guided notes today. With your guided notes, this is what you should have. This is your first page right here. Oh my goodness, this is going a little bit crazy. Hold on a second. This is your first page. There are 4 different videos that you will be watching and then copying it down. Here is your second page here. And then your third page. And that's it. So first thing I would like you guys to do is let's go ahead and take a look at the breakdown today's stuff. Which is right here. Okay, so I would like you guys to go ahead and focus in on the following questions. All right, so for your first video, your video is going to be right over here. And rather than having you guys try to watch this with me, I'm actually going to make a tiny URL for you guys. So it'll be a little bit easier for you to follow along. So if you are at home and you have internet access, I would like you guys to go ahead and type the following in. And I'm actually going to move this over a little bit. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Change the color. Let me get a little bit darker. Okay, so here we go. This is the tiny URL you want to type into your browser. When you get there, it's going to look something like this. And this is going to be your first question. And it's going to be about 20 minutes to watch the video, but you're going to get through it and you'll have a better understanding of how this works. Okay, when you're done with the 4 videos here, we're going to move on to your quizzes, which is going to be right over here in the middle. Do you see this page right here? It's the same page as your guided notes with your video notes. And with your quizzes, we are going to modify it so that way you can work on this at home. And all you have to do is just go to joinmyquiz.com 315-40092. That's the code you want to type in. And once you join it, so like let's say for example, I'm joining it. Here I am. Type in your name. I'm going to be Dr. Callahan. Click start. Start the game. And this is going to be your first question. Okay, so you just go ahead and work on this at home. Okay, so now that you are done with that, and again, here's your joinmyquiz.com, here's your link to or your code to it. When you're done with that, the last thing I want you to do is a concept map. Your topic here is on quadratics. So with your iPad or whatever device you're using, I want you to go ahead and Google these terms and then draw a picture or a definition in each of these boxes. When you're done with that, go ahead and answer the following questions on a separate piece of paper. All right, you guys, that is basically it for what you need to do. Make sure you upload them so that way on MS Teams, so that way I know you completed it. Have a wonderful week. And as always, stay safe and healthy and take care of each other.